Hi everyone, welcome to Doux Visage TCM educational channel. I'm Dr. Goh. Today I'm going to share with you how are you going to use a simple 3 acupuncture point to treat your own back pain conditions at home. Before I begin for the 3 points, let me just share with you what acupuncture is all about. There are 361 points, mostly arranged in meridian, which you can see it on this model. Acupuncture has been used for 1,000 years in China to treat illnesses and to restore health, especially for pain management, etc. Through this invisible channel flow vital energy or a life force called qi. When one of these meridians are blocked or out of balance, illnesses can occur. So let's learn how these 3 acupuncture points can treat your back pain conditions. Point number 1, which I already do a marking. This point is good for sciatica pain. Usually I advise my patients to use a fork. Press on that point and breathe 9 times. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. It consider 1 time. So you just continue to do it for 9 times. Second acupuncture point is for a sudden lower back pain, which you can see I do a marking here. Same, I use a fork to press on it and breathe in through my nose, breathe out through my mouth for 9 times. The third point to treat lower back and leg pain, which you can see I do a marking here, and you can use your fork to follow this line, and this will be the point. Same thing, when you press on it, you breathe in from your nose, breathe out through your mouth, and you continuously to do it for 9 times. Hope you found this lesson insightful. To learn more on TCM theory, follow and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share to your friends and loved ones. We see you next time.